Hey there, Medium lovers. Do you have a bookmark mess that's out of control? Picture this. You've saved dozens, maybe hundreds of articles, highlighted quotes, and bookmarked stories that inspire you. But when you need them, they're lost in the chaos. That's where MBM comes in. The ultimate Medium bookmark manager designed to turn bookmark chaos into organized bliss. With MBM, importing your Medium bookmarks is a breeze. Imagine seeing a list of all your saved articles neatly listed in one place. Plus, searching for articles is super easy with custom and predefined searches. Add personalized keywords and custom notes to keep all your inspirations at your fingertips. And receive daily email notifications to rediscover gems you've saved and forgotten about. Spend less time searching and more time reading and writing. Stay organized, boost your productivity, and personalize your Medium experience. Choose whether you want a monthly or yearly payment plan and enjoy a 7-day free trial. Sign up today and transform your Medium experience with the Medium Bookmark Manager.